This is the procedure for filling the capillary tubes for the RSR NEMA test or the Reconstructed Spatial Resolution test. My name is Steve Dyer. I'm with Iris QA, and this is a test fixture from our NEMA toolkit. So to start off with, ideally we need about 150 to 250 microcuries or 5 to 9 megabecquerels in each point source. So basically you'll have to end up using your Tech 99M solution, which is probably of the highest concentration available. Or if you have something that's too hot, you may have to mix it down or dilute it down to something around the range of about 40 millicuries per cc, which is about 1500 megabecquerels per cc. So we start off by placing a drop for each of the sources that we need. And I'm using a 3cc syringe with a 22 gauge needle. I've added some coloring just to kind of help visualize the material for demonstration. And I push up material and just let it drop fall. And it ends up leaving about a 2 to 3 millimeter bead. When we fill these capillary tubes, we're looking to get a volume about 2 millimeters or less in the tip. And if we end up drawing up too much, we need to remove some of the volume. So at an angle, we just approach the bead, quickly just engage it, and it then pulls up by capillary action a small volume of the tech solution. And we can quickly check the length of it, and this is about 2 millimeters. So if there was more than that, in order to remove some, we would need to tap the tube and the non-absorbent material and disengage some of the solution. So if we end up with about 2 millimeters or less of the volume, we can go ahead and seal off the tube by using the CritiSeal material that's provided in the toolkit. Embed the tip and just kind of work it back and forth to kind of break off the solution before you pull it off. Flatten out the end of the seal material, flip it around, seal off the other end, kind of put some back pressure on the volume in the end just to kind of keep it intact. Do the same there. So we do this for all three sources, and hopefully if we keep the volume about the same, approximately 2 millimeters in each source, the activity will be very close to each other. Now, if there is one that's higher than the other, ideally we should just put that point source in the center fixture holder. One last point, when we go ahead and fill up these and seal off the capillary tubes, we may find that we kind of leave some residual material left in the CritiSeal. If that's the case, then make sure we go ahead and remove this and then store it in an appropriate place until it decays down. Thank you.